chill out. A bad man chill out. A bad man chill out. A bad man chill out. Bad man chill out.
Let's see a skillet. Walk on there, see a skillet. When I'm ready, when I'm ready, put the hands up, put the hands up. 1, 2, 3,
It's okay if you don't talk to me, cause you don't pay my bills every month.
People, welcome back to the channel. This is Birdbeak, and today we have a lot of topics to touch into. But before we get into that, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share the video. It helps us out a bunch and literally costs you nothing. With that being said, let's get into the video. Hope you enjoy. Well, it look like say them did a whole of vibes at Uptown Monday, and you see sexy body Shenseea and sexy body Moliy. I bust a wine up on your screen as you can see. But yeah, really and truly, in my opinion, the song is very nice. I feel like say the song have a whole heap of potential, and we have more to see from this song and this rhythm. So let's move on to the next clip. Now, this is just a small clippings of the Spice Army that performed at Red Bull Culture Clash in the UK. Spice took home the trophy with collaboration of many of our Jamaican patrons, and it was a good look. Let's take a look at Skillibeng performing, since this video is about Skillibeng.
Skillibeng for Spice Army.
walk on there, skillet. Man, let's see a skillet. Walk on there, see a skillet. When I'm ready, when I'm ready, put the hands up, put the hands up. 1, 2, 3, go. Hold on. Skillet. Hold on a man. Hold on a man. A Jamaica we come from. Kenny, no girl no want him in London, cause him a pussy. You see we want the girl want. She love Batman. She love Batman.
It's a good look, people. It's a good look. Congratulations to Spice and everyone that took participation in the Spice Army for winning that trophy. But it's a good look, especially for Skillibeng. You hear the crowd and the man say whap, 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 whap. Remember, I'm tell you, man. Only a very few Jamaican artists can pull crowd and get a reaction from the crowd, just like how you see Skillibeng did right here. Anyways, people, let's move on to the next clip. Here is a clip of Dexta Daps giving us a sneak peek to his unreleased song, Up and Coming Music. Please take a listen and share your opinions on this song down in the comment section below. But before I even play it, I'm gonna tell you right now, in my opinion, I think the song is quite nice.
It's okay if you don't talk to me, cause you don't pay my bills every month. God's got me covered. With a friend, I'ma try to bring me down. Must have true, when I say nothing, them feel some down. God's got me covered. Change your ways, it no late, no wait before time fly past you. Bad mind, I know the answer for every question we ask you. No say everything you do in a life, I can come back and cast you. I just me put first, I buy the verse we use and last you. How could you live with that disease? How get it out so you not give it to your kids? Give them your heart, them want your rates. Them know I feel it, the way we living on your base. You know see them and Judas. Double up your name in the rumors. Hide them jealousy by you. was. Never give her, never use her.
People, that's it for now. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share the video. It helps us out a bunch and it literally costs you nothing. Anyways, Birdnation, stay sharp.